and gentlemen, right now I'm on my way to go meet up with buddy Joe at the end of the route. We got a couple of day backpacking trip planned. We're gonna backpack about 20 kilometers. Some beautiful escarpment scenery. We got a good dinner planned. We got some nice steak we're gonna cook up tonight. Supposed to rain a bunch tonight, so get your headsets ready for some ASMR here. Start this adventure.
All this time I've been holding on so tight, 'cause all that I do,
I got a feeling we'll see it quick.
was easy to use.
We made it. Let's get geared up and get on this trail.
Within the first 2 minutes of oh my gosh, holy smokes, my camera just almost fell down this cliff.
Good catch.
I caught it.
Good thing. Sick. Nice pooch.
About 2 years ago,
We did a bike packing trip. It's on our YouTube channel. We were bike packing this section, and this is where we tapped out to finish this section. And here we are. Got a detour here. I guess we can't walk down the Bruce Trail. Psych.
I hear you talking at work to the boys in the gym.
0.4 kilometers in.
Drain's getting pretty sloppy, eh, Joe?
Why won't you talk to me?
Got a nice water source here coming from an underground spring. Tastes pretty good.
Was it? Oh wow, that is good.
6.1 kilometers in, and it's snack time. I got some pepperonis and cheese, pitted dates. Son. Joe's trying some dates and cheese. Son. Now be blessed.
Interesting.
Not bad.
Try it.
I were just walking around town and we noticed there's a winery here that's open. Might as well go check it out. Go crash the party.
Go down? Yeah. Yeah? Okay, perfect.
All right, we're at the Bench Winery. We just got a bottle of wine, but we're not allowed to drink it on the property, which we're a little confused.
Stupid if you ask me, but
We're a little confused about it, but I guess we're drinking it on the Bruce Trail. The winery wouldn't have us, so we're drinking some parking lot right now. It's some good stuff. I've arrived at our campsite. You may recognize this spot from a couple of years ago when we did bike packing on the Bruce Trail. All our wood from last time we were here. We got some benches already pre-set up. Should be able to see Toronto directly across Lake Ontario tonight. Go get some firewood. Hiya!
give me your money.
Situation, we have some oak, we have some maple, and a bunch of kindling here. And then we have to clean up this area here, and we have to face our shelter that way because the wind's coming from that way. Because we don't want to get rain coming in on an angle tonight right in the entrance, or fire smoke coming into our shelter. So we have to like completely change this setup to that side. All right, we're gonna do taut line hitch on each side.
Dude, we're gonna have
2 on the inside, 1 on the outside. So we're gonna do a super shelter where me and Joe are gonna sleep in the same shelter tonight. Based on the location we're in, it just makes sense to sleep under the same tarp. And based on the rain we're gonna be dealing with in the morning, so.
and we'll also have more extra tarp. If we need tarp, we have the extra tarp then.
Yeah. Yeah. So this is what we've decided. If I don't fall in a hole, we're gonna create a straight perpendicular wall straight down. Spot right like that. Make it look pretty, right? Bushcraft paper clip. We're gonna use to connect our tarps together there. We're trying the clothespin method. It's probably not the best method, but it sure works.
Huh? It works. Sick. That looks sick in the camera.
Ooh.
This side's gonna be a bit tighter.
We got a ton of debris in our shelter. We gotta get it out. Little base here. Tying out the back here. We can have some extra space. Tie it right there. Brethren Joseph. Is she nice and open in there?
It's open, dude.
Oh my goodness. That'll shed rain.
Really well.
That'll shed rain like nobody's business. Got a lantern. It's good wood right here.
I'm almost done this piece of oak.
Beauty. Yeah, real and pull.
Good luck.
Pull on
You
that.
try.
Red maple.
Holy. Holy.
Right there.
Right in my face.
Right here.
Oh yeah.
See it?
Karate chop.
Oh, it had. This guy's a trooper. I come in peace. So we're just hanging out by the fire here, laughing, talking, conversating. Probably go for a little walk soon. Check out the view of Lake Ontario. And you know alcohol's produced by fungus as well. Fungus. Almost 11. And we're gonna cook dinner soon. We're gonna cook up some steak and some rice here.
Never go wrong with steak and rice. Ariel just makes it 100 times. Holy, that is a thick steak. Now that's a steak right there.
The butterfly technique here.
Almost.
I'm sanitizing the dinner plate right now. Get our dishes off the fire. Nice and clean.
Okay. Ow.
I'm gonna throw some cheese in here and some barbecue sauce.
I don't even know why I put it in a bowl.
Time to set up the sleeping system, eh? I'm gonna have a great time putting this back in the bed.
Should we put another tarp underneath it or no?
No. We're 100% good, bro. Unless Jeff Bezos says otherwise, but I think we're good. I got the big Agnes.
I was just gonna say big Agnes.
I took a bunch of it. Hard with that. Yeah, that too.
That'd be sick.
I might do it if I have enough battery power. Pretty cold out here. We're slowly getting ready to go to bed. It's 1 a.m. This says it's 6.9 Celsius, which is completely wrong. Feels like 2 or 3 Celsius. Good morning. Slept pretty good. Coffee and breakfast. Brother Joseph is ready for his baptism.
Wake up the entire forest with your snore.
Really? Holy shit, dude. It'd be nice to be packed up before it starts raining. This is breakfast. This is a grilled cheese snacks.
Perfect.
Rain's coming down. It's coming down pretty good now.
Oh yeah. 6 degrees.
Time to take down the shelter and get back on the Bruce Trail. Cue
The time lapse.
lapse. We're back on the Bruce Trail. 5 to 10 kilometers to go. Lockbox right here. Me and Joe were here about 2 years ago and we wrote some notes down. Let's see if they're still there. Oh. This book looks different.
And our initials are not here anymore.
April 4th, 2026. Joey Bones and Hawken were here. Check out the YouTube channel Fill Out Films and Hawk Wild to see our journeys on the Bruce Trail. Well, we are coming up to Joe's truck here. We're just about done. This is about it for this section of the Bruce Trail in this video. Subscribe to the channel if you like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.